So hello friends, I'm Vicky and I belong to Gad district. So you all are welcome to my channel Vicky is English. Okay, you know why I have created my channel? Because I want to improve my speaking English and I want to become a fluent English speaker. That's why I have created my channel, and whatever I speak in front of camera, I try to upload on my channel to show the people, yes, my English is improving or not, yes, am I speaking good or not. So you can judge my English, and from my speaking way you can suggest me, and you can also learn. If you think, yes, uh, am I speaking good or not, after watching my video you can also start. You will feel and you realize yourself after watching my video, yes, I can speak better than him, because he doesn't know much, still he is speaking. So why we can't start? So by thinking this, you have to also start. So don't wait and don't think once. Okay, whatever you are learning and how you are learning, so doesn't matter. Just matter on this, matter is this thing, is you are speaking or not, you are practice speaking English or not, yes, and do you feel confident or not. So we need to first of all feel confidence. Yes, we are a confident English speaker, so we can speak, we can explain everything. Just you have to power. First of all, you need to show the power to all. Yes, I know, I can talk anywhere. I can give the speech in public, in so many public. Okay, you know, I'm making this video after 3 days. Last 3 days I didn't upload video on my channel, but after 3 days I'm making this video. But you know, a little bit I'm feeling low confidence. Why? Because last 3 days I haven't come in front of like this in camera. Okay, so yes, it is not good things to skip any days, because I should not have skipped any days. Yes, if you think, if you feel, yes, this work is helping me, helping us a lot, and I'm improving my video through this. So that, so so from that work you need to learn more and more. Okay, and just I want to improve, I want to talk to you. But when will you talk and when will you start? If you improve your speaking English, then. So now I'm ready. I'm ready to talk with you all. Okay? Just you have to call me. You can call and you can message me. Yes, but I will. I want to request you. Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Okay? No, I will speak more. Who is thinking? Someone will think, yes, he will speak till 5 minutes. He will speak till 10 minutes. No, I can speak as much as I can want. I want. Okay? Because no one can say me, yes. And no, I'm making this video, I'm making this video alone. First of all, I turn on the camera and I sit on the tripod, and I first of all I fixed. Then after start camera, then I come here, and I after standing I'm speaking. So this way we need to speak and make video yourself. No one can with you. Yes, you are alone, then it is definitely you should go, you should try. If you are alone, then you will feel confidence, and if someone is someone is with you, that time you will feel little bit nervous. You will think, yes, he will listen how am I speaking English. Okay, but you should not think like this. Then you have to speak. I speak every day. So and definitely I'm regretting myself. Why I have regret? Why I skipped 3 days? Okay. So from next day, I will. I don't want to skip any one days. I will try to make everyday videos. Okay. So just I need your support. So please, I want to request you, please like, share, and subscribe my video. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Okay, so thank you, bye.